Hey everyone, Dave Cook at D'Franco Finishes. We are doing an Elle Cashman install today. So we have cut the instructions off as instructed. So one of the things we did was measure the paper. So our paper is 19 inches and this wall is just under 38. So I wanted to make sure we got two pieces, so we centered it as close as possible. This corner is going to be off a little bit, so we'll be able to overlap this piece over to it. So with this paper, it comes in a solid roll. So every piece is in here and they're numbered one until the end of it, and you can actually unroll the paper as you need it. You glue the wall, and as you're cutting your piece here, it goes right back to the wall, and then once it's on there, you start from the left side and work your way all the way around. So that's what we will get ready to do, and we're gonna do a time-lapse camera on here too, do one video and kind of have everything on there. So you kind of see how this looks like, and we'll do another one as soon as we're done. Alright, so we are installing our first piece of this Elle Cashman. So what we did was it's a pre-pasted wall, so we got a laser line where this goes. I back rolled it so that the back goes to the wall. And then we're just gonna line up our laser. And I'm just putting to the top of this, you only need like not even a ½ inch as far as your top piece that you're cutting off. And now you just unroll so that the paper lines up with the laser. I'm just gonna do this all the way down. Actually, I'm just gonna let it drop. And then I can adjust it if we need to. So I'm just running the line. It's a little over and the walls are a little crooked, so it's gonna make it a little trickier too. But as long as the end of that paper is on that laser all the way up, it's gonna make our install so much easier for every other piece. And then we're just gonna smooth this out. This is a sweep that we're gonna use. I'm just gonna get it to lay on the paper to the wall, right to the edge. There we go. And I'll trim around that, and then we're just gonna keep going all around. So we'll have a time-lapse video of the rest of it, and then a couple videos as we go. We're working on our second piece, number 2. And you can see, without very much effort, as I'm dropping this down the wall, how perfect these seams and the pattern lines up. This is the third time we've installed this, and every time it's been the exact same thing. The seams and the pattern just match up almost perfect. So there you go.
I love it.